Space. Space is both scary and fascinating at the same time. Its infinite emptiness and mystery gives most people an existential crisis. However, recent advancements mean that we are starting to understand and even experimenting with space. While experimenting with various techno based applications in space, an amazing and futuristic way of 3D printing is very successfully initiated. The technique of 3D printing is normally used to print and develop custom tools, spare parts, and new equipment for research at the cutting edge of space exploration.
A very effective method and innovation used to make complex shapes and structures with more resolution than ever before. These 3D printers effectively managed to develop the spare parts of machinery where the complex and technical equipments cannot be accessible. 3D printing in space. So 3D printing has several key roles to play. The zero G environment of space orbits opens doors to print material not possible under the influence of earthly gravity. Parts and spares can be printed on demand, and structures can be built that won't survive the stresses of launch.
Now let us see some of the most amazing applications of 3D printer in spatially building structure on the planets like Moon. So first is 3D printer able to recycle and make usable items. So Refabricator is an amazing machine which can basically recycle the spare parts and the damaged part of the machinery to useful parts. So definitely it happens that this is a problem which is faced by most of the astronauts or the people in the spacecraft, that some of the parts of machinery gets damaged, and definitely it's very difficult to transport those machinery or to transport any equipment to the space from earth. So why not to make those spare parts or to to make the machinery parts correct in the space station itself. So 3D printer can help you out in that case. So 3D printer can basically make all those damaged part correct, and the astronauts can make or fix the any damage or any equipment in the space station itself. And the second application is 3D printing and survival of astronauts. Yes, this is very amazing and very beneficial as well, that astronauts can make their food itself in the space station by using the 3D printer. Normally it is seen that the astronauts or any of the space member has to take those food stuff and the food material from the earth when they launch from the rocket and when they reach the space station. So 3D printer can help in this case. Using 3D printer we can insert or we can put our stuff, we can basically put the raw materials inside the 3D printer, and it can produce the result, which is basically it can give you it can give you the required dish whichever you want, whichever the dish you want to prepare. You can just set the algorithm in it, and you can insert the raw materials and materials such as metals or cement or any other thing. And definitely it's very difficult to transport that, because just to transport the material we would need 2 to 3 rockets, and that's very costly and lot of obstacles we could face in that case. So 3D printer can help us in that case. So 3D printer basically can build the required structure or the required machinery which we have to use there from the lunar dust. Yes, it can build that from the lunar dust, the dust which is basically found on the moon in large quantities. So yes, that was one of the amazing applications which can basically help in the human settlement on these celestial planets.
3D printer is a robot operated printer. At one end it has scoop to collect the regolith. In the center there are containers for printing materials. At the other end it has robotic arm with a printing head. The robot collects regolith from moon surface and layers the dust to build up structures. This process takes 3 to 4 months. After the collection is completed and construction is done, it can house 4 people and have protection layers from solar and gamma radiations and high temperature fluctuations.
Go.
Advantages of construction on moon by 3D printing. It can ease the astronaut to explore other planets as they can live in the structures built by on the planets and can facilitate their research instead of taking inside the working spaceship. In construction of structures can lead to human settlements, which can give them more many advantages. And with 3D printing, one can build structures that can help the astronaut members to work on the equipment, which are very difficult to take on the space.